ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम् वागर्था विव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। So Yanganta completed, right?
Yes, Ji.
So now what we have to see?
And look, what is that? The other one, the young
Yang Lukanta.
Lukatan.
So for Young Look, the same files. I think I sent you all the files updated, right? Yanganta.
Yeah.
So we have in the Yanganta introduction to Yanganta Prakriya Sutrani, Dvitvam, Abhyasa Karyani, Anga Karyani, then Abhyasa. 6 files. Yes?
Yes.
Yes, Ji.
Yeah.
Yes, Ji.
The same file I just copied here for Young Look also. So Young Look we can go through quickly. It don't take so many classes. The introduction is common. So we have read this introduction. Yanganta Prakriya, in that I have the introduction which is given, the same introduction here also. But the only thing is that Young Look will happen. So I have not modified anything. The same introduction is copied here. This is in the context of Young Look. Okay, oh, fine. You can read. Already we have read this. The same documents, the thing. I just copy pasted in Young Look. Because it covers Young Look also. Probably that time I would have told Young Look we can see later. Now we can see. Right?
Yes.
Yes, Ji.
Okay. Parvatiji, you read. All of you, one by one, can read. Just reading. And it is English only, so you can understand.
Yes.
Okay.
Yang is one of the Sanadi Pratyayas which give rise to a new dhatu. It is primarily used to express intensity or repetition of an action. The Yanganta dhatus take Atmanepada endings by the sutram Anudatangita Atmanepadam. That is 1 through 12. Another from which has the same meaning is also obtained by eliding the yang. This form is referred to as yang look. Yang look dhatus, however, take only parasmaipadi endings. Okay. The usage of yang look is relatively sparse in the language.
Language, yeah. Parasmai pada, it might be not parasmai padi. Parasmai padi is a dhatu. Parasmai pada endings, affixes, suffixes. So Yanganta is one of the Sanadi Pratyas give rise to new dhatu. What is the sutram?
3, 1, 2.
That is Dhato Rekha Chohaladehi.
It gives one rise to new dhatu. How can be that? Huh?
Anadyanta Dhatavaha.
Anadyantava Dhatavaha. Okay.
Sanadyanta dhatavaha. That is a sutra, right? Sanadyanta dhatavaha is 3132.
32.
So that is the sutra. Okay. It is primarily used to express intensity or repetition of action. This you can say, what is sutram?
Repetition.
Devanti, that is
Samadhikare.
Kriya Visamyare.
Dhado Rekacho Kriya Samadhikare. Yang Kriya Samadhikara is that pound of punyam atava brisham iti arte prayujyate Kriya Samadhikara, right? That's sutra. Yanganta take Atmane Pada by the sutra. Nitvat Angakari Nishidhyate as well as Nitvat Anudatangitaha
Anudatanitaha Atmanepadam.
Atmanepadam.
Padam.
Right? All these are sutra only. Put it in an English sentence. Another form also. Another form, not from, huh? The typo. Huh? Okay, I think I have to correct there also, then maybe do it later. Another form which has the same meaning is also obtained by eliding. Eliding is look. This form is referred to as young look.
Okay.
But young look, Yanganta will take Atmane Pada Pratyas, Atmane Pada endings. Here I have written correctly Atmane Pada, but here Parasmay Padi I have written corrected now. Young look dhatus will take Parasmay Pada endings, only Parasmay Pada endings. That is why we have we have seen already. There's some examples in the context came many. We'll see. But this young look is very sparse in the language. It is not much seen, but anyway, that we will see for the sake of completion. We see Yanganta very frequently. Papachyamanaha, Pepiyamanam, like that. Buddha. Dandramyamanaha, Pariyanti Mudaha. So like the Janganyamanaha. Young look, okay, please read. Srimati ji can read.
Yeah. Young look can only happen when young follows. The look of this young is achieved by the sutram Yangochi Cha 2474.
That we have to see, right?
Yeah, we have to see that.
Note that. We will add in the sutra list. Okay.
Chakara in the sutram brings in Bahulatvam, which means the look may also happen when an ach does not follow or may happen even if ach follows.
So the Bagulam is, so therefore it is, need not only be when ach follows. Then we'll see that Yanochi, that sutram, that we'll see later. We'll see that. Now, young look happen only when young follows. Young follow upon other young look happen. The look of this young is achieved by the sutra Yangochicha 2474. What adhigara Yangochicha? Adadatuke. That adhigaram is there. I think under which adhigaram comes. Under this adhigara only, I think we have Supodhatu Pratipadik Yoga. Look also is a look. Coming as Anuvrutti.
Oh, yeah.
Supodhatu Pratipadik Yoga look. Then Adadi Prabhuti Shapaha look Bhavati. That is also a year only. All those look. The Chakara in the Sutra brings in Bagulatvam, which means look will happen, need not only be Ach, even when Hal follows. May also happen when an Ach doesn't follow. When Ach doesn't follow, it means may happen even if Ach follows. We'll see that. Okay. Namaji can read.
Therefore, the only pramanam for sadhutvam of young look forms is Shishta Prayoga. The ach for this sutram, Yangochicha, is typically taken to be supplied by the sutram Nandi Grahi Pachadibhyo Lunidn Yachaha 31134. When the Pachadi ach is considered to be applicable to all the dhatus. In Laghu, this is given as Vartikam Sarva Dhatupyaha Ach. Under Sutram Nandi Grahi Pachadibhyo Luning Yachaha. 3-1-1.
So what is the sadhutvam of this young look? So we only by Shishta Preha only we know. Only Pramana. So there is no other way of knowing it. Okay. Then the ach for the sutram, Yango Chicha, is typically taken to be supplied. Yeah.
Pachadi.
That ach comes. What is the ach pratyaya? What is the sutra? Nandi Grahi Pachadibhyo Liu Nini Achaha. Right? 3 pratyayas are there and 3 gana are given. Nandi Adigana, Grakhyadigana, Pachadigana. What is the sutram says? What does the sutram say?
These dhatus take the Pachadingana dhatus takes these 3 pratyayas, Liu, Nini, Ach. In Kartari sense.
So what are these pratyayas? What pratyayas are they?
Here
We are seeing Liu, we are seeing.
What pratyayas are they?
Yeah, Ardha Dhatu.
Ardha Dhatu
They are Krit pratyayas.
Krit pratyayas.
Dhatu.
It's a
Oh, they
Pratipadika.
come. After that it comes.
It's a Krit pratyaya. See, Yanganta is what? Yanganta is a dhatu. Right?
Yes.
Yanganta, Yanglukanta is Sanajantaha dhataha dhatu. After that we add pratyaya, means that pratyaya has to be a dhatoho paraha. Krit pratyaya will come, right? Then only you get a pratipadikam Krit atita samasa. Then what pratyaya, then what is this ach is? Ach is another, the pratyaya, the added to dhatu, get another dhatu. No. Adding ach to the yanganta, we get a new pratipadikam. That achaha is what is, he says, achakala, not achakala. Sorry. That achaha is typically taken to be supplied by the sutra, Nandi, Rahi, Pachadibhyaha, Liu, Nini, achaha. So ach is a Krit pratyaya. Therefore, yanganta, yanglukanta, yanganta plus ach, you get a new pratipadikam. In Laghu, what is a Laghu? Laghu Siddhanta Kaumadi. So even though Pachadibhyaha it is said, Pachadigana will take ach. In fact, the word pach plus ach, what do you get? Pach plus ach is equal to
Pacha.
Pacha only. Pacha referring to, what does it mean? Pacha means, what does it refer to?
Cooking.
Not cooking.
Not cooking, by cook.
Refer to the person who cooks.
Cook.
Okay.
The cook, in fact, it is. Refer to the person who cooks. Because it's all these are kartari. Kartari krit. Kartari krit pratyas by default added in the sense of denoting
Karta.
Kartari krit is a basic sutra. Then only we have some other things comes, Nishtha pratyaya, etc. That will be karmani, Nishtha, bhute, karmani, Nishtha, iti. Those things will come, right? Kartari is krit. It's a sutram, kartari krit. Then exceptions, krityas are exception. Ta pratyaya is exception. Exception means the sutrams are there. So, Kartari krit 3, 4, 67, if I remember, that is there. Okay. So, therefore, here ach is that it's ach pratyaya is kartari arte prayujyate. Therefore, referring to the person who cooks. That's one just an example. Therefore, this pach is only to pachadigana. Then there's Vartika in Laghu Siddhanta Kaumadi which says it is sarva dhatu bhyaha ach. So it can be added to any dhatu. Need not be only to this can be added to any dhatus. Sarvadhatubhyaha ach bhavati. You can add. So you get the resultant is what you get is referring to the person who does the action, right? Okay. You can read now, Parvati.
Yes, Chair. If this ach had to follow for young look, then there could be no tinganta forms for young look, but the bahulatvam of the sutram yangonchicha 2474 allows for the look of the young without an ach following.
See, when ach follows, the resultant will be pratipadikam. Krit pratyaya. If ach had to follow, then there will not be tinganta forms. Why? Because you get a pratipadikam. How tinganta will come, right, for a young look. But the bahulatvam in the sutra, what it does is, it allows for the look of the young even without an ach following. Okay. That is why bahulatvam is there in the sutra that we will see in detail Yangochicha later. Okay. So that's the introduction only, this is. So Yanganta, Yanglukanta. So therefore the sutra makes important. 2474, we will see. Then these are all common. Dato Reka Chalade Kriya Samabhihare. Young. Already we have seen this, right?
Yes.
And we have Artikam, Suchi, Sutri, Mutri, Ati, then Arti, Asha, Urnoti, Nam, Yang Bhaktavyam. This is an exception. Why exception? Not exception. Vartika. Is it in Vartika? There are something included. What are those? This is Suchi, not Suchi. Suchi. Aladehe we said, but Ajadi is there. All these are Ajadi exception. Ekach is there. Anekach is here, right?
Yes.
So for Vartika Kara says all those things. And Nityam Kautilye Gato. What is the sutra? What does the sutra says?
Nindarte.
Yeah.
Young prati.
Gatyartaka dhatu. Gato arte ye dhatu santi. That will be Nityam Kautilye Gato. So young pratyaya will come in the sense of movement, but movement is crooked. So not in the sense of Kriya Samabhihara. Like Vrajadhatu, for example. Vavrajyate Rupam. So that is the meaning. Jangamyate, for example, Gamdhatu, Gatyartaka dhatu. Jangamyate, Chankramyate, like that we have forms. Dandramyamanaha. Dandramya is in fact, it comes in the Upanishad. Dandramyamanaha. Moving crookedly. But not in the sense of Kriya Samabhihara, right? Pratyartaka dhatu. Utilam dramati. Okay. Already we have seen, so we will not see. The next sutra is Lupasada Chara Japada Badagata Shagrubhyo.
This only is Nindarte.
This only is Nindate.
Garga is Ninda. So Nindarte with this dhatu, young pratyaya will come, not in Kriya Samabhihara. Now Yango Chicha. So Yango Chicha is there. So that we will see now. Probably we would, I don't know whether we have saw that, but we can see the website also.
Yeah, we have seen it.
Okay, very good. So this sutra says, Yango Chicha, Yangha Achicha. Anuvritti is there. Look as well as Bahulam. Please see the Sutra Patha 2474. Bahulam Chandasi, coming as Anuvritti from the previous sutra. Look is, where is look? Look is coming as Anuvritti from here. Do you see look here? Somewhere here in the screen. Trusty. Where is look? You have to look at it.
Look here.
Look,
58.
That look is there. That is what look is. Right? That is, goes Anuvritti up to 83. So therefore it is Anuvritti is there for 2474. So Bahulam, look, Yangaha, Achi, Cha. Okay. So that is there. We will see the website later. Vidhi Sutram. Yangaha look bhavati. Yang pratyaya will become look when Achit pratyaya parataha kashika karase. Chakarena bagula graganam anukrishyate. Bagula graganam is anukrishyate is it is drawn. Bagulatum chakarena. Bagulam is to be drawn from the previous sutram. Bagulam chandasi. Nato chandasi iti. Not chandas. Only bagulam alone. Tena chandasi bhashayam cha yang look bhavati. Bagulam chandasi, in chandasi, in Veda Vishaya, chandasi, young look. Chandasi bhashayam cha. Chandasi also, of course, in Bhasha also, young look bhavati. So not only in the Veda, in Bhasha also we say that we know only from Shishta Prayaha, as we said before. There is diversity. Diversity means Bagulatvam. That's what diversity. What is Bagulatvam? Kochit pravati, kochit apravati, kochit anyata eva. Anything can happen, that's called Bagulam. So, Bagulam, by the look, there is diversity, the look elision of, there is diversity, the look elision. Okay, elision is lopaha, that is what is look is. Look elision is, in Tamil we say, oru porut panmudi, right? Something like that. Kar megam is here, right? Some similar to that. What is kar? Kar is cloud only. Megam is also cloud only. The look is elision. Elision, why look elision? Gate kadava sat. I mean, what does it mean? Gate is kadava only. What gate kadava sat? Anyway, this is our understanding. Look elision of young. Tato reka jo ala kriya samabihare young. Then pratyaya h, thus we saw, which is by Nandigrahi Pachadibhyaha. By using diversively, there is elision of young when other pratyas follow, other than h follow. Both in the sacred. This is Vasu translation. Sacred. What is the sacred literature? Veda only. And profane literature. Bhashayam. Chandasi Bhashayam cha. Bagulatvam. Bagulatpena. Achaha. If Achaha yadyapi na vartate tatapi look bhavati. So 2474 we'll see now. I don't think anything elaboration given in the website. Just this much, yes. Siddhanta Kaumudi. Yangaha achprate look syat. Chakarat tam vinapi bagulam look syat. It's very clear. So yangaha achpratya will become look even when chakarat, even when ach doesn't follow, right?
Yes.
Okay. Fine. That's what it means. It's okay. The other things you can. There is no nimitta. Ayam antarangatva dadu bhavati tat pratilakshana yang what tadadvitvam. Okay, pratilakshana pratyaya pratyaya lope pratyalakshanam na lumata angasya. So tatra pratyalakshanena angakarya only will not happen, but lopaha etc. Pratilope pratilakshanam bhavati dvitvam bhavati eva abhyasakaryam bhavati. Dhatu tvat we can get let lakara etc. Ladadayaha. Sheshat kartane parasmai padam iti parasmai padam bhavati. Anudata gitahan iti na. That will not apply. Nitvat pratyaya pratyaya sadharanatvena pratyaya lakshana apravartehe. Nitvasya sorry. Pratyaya lakshana pravartehe. So the pratyaya nitvat pratyaya sadharanattvena pratyaya lakshana pravartihi. Tangakaryam etc. pravartihi. Nabhavati. Whatever that gitvam, the gitvam will do samprathanam etc. That pravarti lakshana pravartihi bhavati. Yatra hi pratyayasya asadharanam rupam ashriyate tatraiva tat. The normal form, whatever it is, that alone, that yatra pratyayasya sadharanam rupam ashriyate. Okay, then we will see the application of this. So, okay. Yangaha achi pratyay luksya chakarat vinapi. So, chakaratam vinapi kochit. Even when achi is not there, it will happen. Okay, this is what the first document is. Then young second one. Young look prakriya. I have named as young look prakriya. Okay. So then the Lagu Siddhanta Kaumadi or Siddhanta Kaumadi said the point can Anaimitikaha ayam antarangatvat adu bhavati. So young pratyaya. So look young pratyasya look bhavati. Young pratyasya look bhavati. Lopaha. When ach pratyaya follows, even when ach doesn't follow. Therefore, anga anemitika look. Therefore, anemitika hayam antarangatvat adu bhavati. So, look is antaranga. So, look is antaranga karya. So, antarangatvat, therefore, look will happen in the beginning. After that, only other pratyayas you can add. So, anemitikatvat, ayam antarangatvat. The look is because yangaha is look bhavati. There is no nimitta which causes look, right? So, anemitikatvat, look bhavati in pratyasya, and it is antaranga. After that, only other pratyayas will come. After look, because it is look, angakarya cannot happen. Pratyay lope, pratyay lakshan, lamata angasya. So angakarya will not happen. But vittam, etc., all those pratyay lope, pratyay lakshanam, by that, vittam, etc., will happen. That is what it means, he says. Okay. Anemitikatvat, anemitikaha, yangaha. Yang doesn't have any nimitta. Therefore, it is, and also it is antarangatva. This adu in the beginning, the pratyaya yang is added becomes look. After that, only other pratyayas will follow. Because the pratyaya becomes look, angakarya will not happen, but vittam, etc. will not happen because they're all pratyaya lakshana will happen. Okay. Fine. Then, na lumata angasya. Pratyaya pratyaya lakshana, na lumata angasya. So, pratyaya nimitta angakarya will not happen. Pratyaya nimitta angakarya. Other things can happen. Other angakarya can happen. Pratyaya nimitta angakarya will not happen. Whatever the angakarya is supposed to happen when followed by this pratyaya. Like angakarya, like what we saw, some of the angakaryas. Remember that the case of sun, dirghatum, etc. Even young also. Akar starvadataka yogo dirgaha. Remember? Angakarya. Yes? You remember?
Yes,
Dirghatum happens, right?
Mm.
Akrit sarvadataka yogo dirgaha. In the 7-4 section, there are many. In fact, in the list we have Angakaryani. Angakaryani Sutra I will take. Inganta Prakriya. I just copy paste the same thing, but I will modify this. So here we have Angakarya. Of course, this Angakarya will not happen. Look Bhavati. This Randal will not happen. Then, okay, all these are Sananta case. So Angakarya, certain Angakakrit, Sarvadatika, Dirgaha, that one I remember. So those things and all will not happen.
Naga
Okay.
yang. Oh,
Sorry?
Guno young look over that one.
That is Abhyasa Karya.
That is Abhyasa, no?
That is Abhyasa Karya. Okay. So this file is different from the file what we have done for Yanganta. You must be having that. You can open that and see. Okay, let me, because this is just a copy pasted from Sanan before. But Yanganta, I have modified that. I will open PDF file. There we have this. I will add and then delete. We can do this. Yeah, this is an updated one. Okay. Oh, here also, I think Angakarya, whatever. Which,
I think that is not included, I think. See.
Okay.
Akrit Sarada.
Not included. Sorry.
Nama.
So there are some Angakaryas which we saw. You can check these out. Maybe, okay. It is there, but okay. I have not converted into a PDF file. It is there. Please see the word file.
Okay.
Gumasta, this is a good example. Gumasta Gapa Jakati Samali Eid Gradmoho Ayangi Giti Ringutaha Yangicha. Ringutaha is what? It is 74.
Kama Kamsya.
Vibhasha. And somewhere maybe there I missed out Angakarya. I told you, you can let me know, I will add, because we have seen all the dhatus. So these are Angakaryas. See the number 641 on 174. These are all Angakarya, not Abhyasa, right? So this will not apply. This is what the look does. Right? So these Angakaryas will it happen? No, that will not apply. Okay. Tarte lope prate lakshan nalumata angasya. But vittam etc. that will happen. Okay. Fine. Now, this is 1 minute. This is Yanganta Prakriya. I'll copy the whole thing and put it there, because the same thing we are going to use it for young look. Oh, Akrita Sarvadhatika Yoga Dirgaha I have added.
You added, G. I know where it is.
Yeah, Dirgatvam Samprasar Dhatu Nam Yanganta Prakriya. It is there. The very file itself, it is there. Okay. The file. Samprasarana Dhatu Nam Yanganta Prakriya. So here we have given Akrita Sarvadhatika Yoga Dirgaha. Alaha Samprasaranam. This is also Dirgatvam. Dirgatvam separately I have written here, but maybe I will add here also. Alaha is Samprasaranam happens. And then Akrita Sarvadhatika Yoho Dirgaha, that also we did Angakarya. Okay, so though it is repeated, it's okay. So this is Yanganta. One minute, parallelly I'm modifying. Then the PDF file probably I didn't change. You can let me know. I will change it and send it to you. Word file and all modified. Updated one. PDF, I don't know why it is not updated. Maybe you would have forgotten to update that. Okay. Once again, I will send that Yanganta after converting that into PDF. Again, I will send, because when I check, it is not seen. Fine. Though the Angakaryas are here. So this is the list of sutras for young look, but many are common. Some I have to remove it, some I have to add. We will add as we go. So these are the young pratyay vidhi, these 4 sutras, right? It's right. Dato Rekacho Alade Kriya Samaigrayan and next Vartikam, Titin Kautilikato, Lupasata Charajapa. Then Datva Desha, it will happen when an Adatuka Pratyaya follows. This will happen. Pratelope Pratelaksham, this will happen alone, right? So therefore that it be there. Then Dvitam, that Dvitam happens because Dvitam is not Angakarya. Pratelope Pratelaksham. Therefore Dvitam, we required all these sutram. Abhyasa Karyani, that also will happen and special things have to be added. Certain things I think I have to remove it also, you will see. And Angakaryani, that will not happen. So we will delete after some time. I just mark it because Angakaryas are Nishedan. Certain Angakaryas maybe, I don't think so, but I will just mark it like this, delete. Okay, these are the sutras, right? Okay. So Dvita Sutras are there, which are same. What are the Dvita Sutras? Okay, we have seen. Just quickly you can go through. Do you see the file, right? Just young look Sutrani.
Yes.
Okay. So Aster Buhu Bruvavachihi Chakshinkyang Ajer Vyakan Vyakanya Poho Ade Chaho Padesha Shiti. Okay, all those be there. Sanyanga Hodari Dvitam happens. Ajadehi Dvitiya se Ekachoti Patamasya Nandraha Sanyohadayaha. Right? Okay, then Purvaha Abhyasaha Ube Abhyastam, all those things. Okay. Then Ekacho Dvit Patamasya. Do you remember one Dhatu? I think 6133. We saw the Dhatu, Swaying Dhatu. I think in Yanganta, I think so, Yanganta. Can you check your notes also? It's a Samprasana Dhatu, 6133. Paha Samprasaranam Abhyastasya cha. I think you must have seen this.
Yes.
When Dhatu, before Dvitvam, what we should do? Samprasaranam should be done and then
yeah, we have done that example.
It is done, right? In the case of
1 minute.
this sutra, is it there then in the file? Abhyastasya cha. So Abhyastasya cha is 6133. If not, I will add that also here because Abhyasa to be done, right? So I will add here. I'm not sure whether in Yanganta I have added that, but Yanglunganta at least I will add. Then we can copy paste this. I think I must have added Abhyastasya cha 6133. I remember, I think we did this. We discussed about all of those. This also I think we did.
Have we done Shakshi, the Karyan?
Okay. The sutra, but not in the list, right? Okay. I will add this. Then Abhyasa Karya, Atra Lopa Abhyasasya, I just copied everything. But Atra Lopa Abhyasasya, did we apply?
In Sananta, I think we applied.
We didn't apply at all. So where is this here? Not applicable. Remove it. Aladisheshaha, yes. Shat Purvahakayaha, yes, required.
Yes.
Rasvaha, yes. Urat, required. Kuboshuhu, required. Abhyasa Charcha, yes. Guna, young Lukoho, young as well as young look for both. Yes, it is required.
Dirgha
Akitaha, that also. Young or young look. Then the Rikagama. That also required. Rikagama happens for young or young look anta, right? that also required. Nukataha Anasikantasya. But that also Yanganta. Yes. So Yanganta Nukagama. Yeah, that is also required. Right? Nugataha Anasikantasya. Anasikantasya, yes. That is also required. Then Japadabadaha Pasha Banja Pashancha. What is this? Yeah, that also it will take Nukahama, that also required, right? Then Utparasyataha. What is this Utparasyataha? Parasya Ataha Ukaraha Adeshaka Bhavati. This is maybe very particular context. That is, I think, Charp and Pala, that for that, right? That is also required. Will come because you have to see the sutra. Normally, Utparasyataha, what does it mean? It has Anuvritti of Shara Paloscha. Then Regrupadasya, that is also, and Rugri Kau Chaluki, that is also required. Angakaryani only, in the case of young look, will not happen. That we have to
7488 you have applied.
Then, so Dirgatvam, this is also will not be applicable. I'll mark it red and then delete later. Ditvam Abhyasa Karyani. Okay. I think all the other sutrams which are there, which we know, so we don't have to go through. What about 7.3, 55? Did we see 7.3.55? 7.3.55. It's very, I think we must have seen the case of Andhatu. Andhatu, very specific Andhatu. Have we saw? We must have seen that.
We have seen.
We have seen, right? Andha. But how the Sutram? Okay, 7.3.55 is Angakarya. Okay. Anyway, Angakarya not required, right? Andhatu. And Akara will take Kavargadesha. Abhyasa. But it is, we'll see that to be added or not, what I'll let you know. But I think in the main Yanganta, it is not there. Probably I will add it later. I'll just add and send you the revised one. Okay. Other than this, I think everything is same. Now let us. I think no other sutras are here. So introduction to Lung and Sutrani. Therefore, next one is, what is the fourth document? Abhyasa Karyani. Abhyasa Karyani already covered. Aladisheshaha, we know, right? It's a long document. In fact, 3 times we did. Sannanta.
Yeah, Sannanta also.
Young, and that's the 3rd time now. We don't have to do it. Sharpurvaha, Kayaha, and Rasvaha. Then Urat. Yeah, okay, it will be there. Then it's who was to who? Abhyase Charcha. Then Abhyase Charcha. So here, other Abhyasa Karya, Guno, Yang, Luko, Dirgha, Kiti, and all not there.
You have given G. It's there. Guno, Yang, Luko.
Where it is there?
Kire poningna. It's there, down.
This மேல போக முடியாது ஏன்னா உள்ள ஃபைல் பெண்டிங்.
I took a print out from
maybe that is in the young anta. This is young look anta.
Okay.
It means அப்ப young antaல இருந்து காப்பி பண்ணி இதுல போடலாம். Okay. Yeah.
Actually, down you have given Guno, Yang, Lukoho.
All those things I have added.
All the Ni, Kagama, all irukku.
That is there in this document. Other document, this is actually ஒரே டாக்குமெண்ட் வச்சிருக்கலாம். நான் தான் எங்களுக்குன்னு பிரிச்சுட்டேன். So here it is there, all this 7480 for everything.
The Ri Kagama varaikum I think it's there.
So okay, nothing, no problem. I just copy the entire thing. So I'll put it under young. Suppose there is no difference between this young and young look. So this is 04 Abhyasa Karyani to be copied into here. This is young look. Don't worry, this screen may go here and there, but I'm not doing anything, just a copy pasting. What you see here, it is for young look. I'm just replacing by that young and the number of pages has increased now, 26. So all the Abhyasa Karyas are discussed, already discussed. So names are just now read. So this is also done, right?
Mm.
So next one after this, Angakaryani. Where is Angakaryani? Angakarya will not happen
Okay.
because look,
It will not happen. Yeah.
so this document is redundant in fact. That I will remove it after seeing because in case something will happen, then that time we may have to add. So Abhyasa Karya, this Angakarya fifth document. The last document is that comes here Abhyasaha. So this is where we are going to start Young Lukanta. So Abhyasa Karya. So we have got all the background now, right? So first is introduction to Young, then Sutras, then the list of Sutras, then Dvitvam, Abhyasa Karyani. Angakaryani is not applicable for Young Look. If it is applicable, if I find some, I will add. I don't think so. Maybe there also, that is also, I don't want to say, maybe some in case exception. Then finally, Abhyasaha, practice. The practice only we have to do. So Prakriya is the small change in the Prakriya. Other than that, it is same. So, so Young Lukanta. So let us start Young Lukanta. So let us start with what dhatu? We'll take Ajadi dhatu itself. Akaranta tata Ejanta dhatus. Ajadi is covers both, right? So okay, fine. This is a page also copied, pasted from Sun. So I'll copy, paste from Yanganta. Just a minute. This Abhyasa, not at all the dhatus required. If required, we can do. This is what you see now. This Sananta Abhyasa is this is I convert this into now Yanganta, Young Lukanta Abhyasa. So same examples we will take and now you see the document, right? Yanganta Abhyasa.
Yes, Jay. Yes, Jay.
Okay. So okay. The sequence of operation Angakaryani. Angakaryani na bhavati eva. Because this is not Yanganta, this is Young Look. Young Luganta. Young Luganta. So Angakaryani, remove it. So Dvitvam. Let us take Akara and the Dhatu. So Young Pratyaya becomes Look. Right? By what sutra? Yango Achicha 2474. Then na Lumata Angasya. By that. Lumata Angasya Angakaryam na bhavati. But Dvitvam etc. will happen. Therefore Dvitvam only. Right? Now, let us take Akaranta Dhatu. All Akaranta Dhatu are Ejanta Dhatu. Ejanta Dhatu will become Akaranta. Oh.
Adesha.
Acha.
Upadesha Ashiti.
Adechaha Upadeshe
Ashiti.
Ashiti. So therefore those are also covered. The same set of dhatus we can take. Da dhatu. Da dhatu, Dvitvam will happen. Right? 6466. Can we apply? Yes or no? 6466, by seeing that sutra itself, you should be able to tell it is Angakarya. How it will apply? Huh? Cannot apply. Because Nalumata Angasya. You want me to write Nalumata Angasya? That is what it's important thing here. Nalumatangasya. Remember this. What's the number? 162 or 3?
No, 1163.
163.
63. Please remember.
Yes.
So Yangaha, Yang Pratyaya, Yang. So Yang look is going to happen. So Da plus Yang. So Yang look by Yango 2474. What's the? That's a number, right? Okay. Yango Chicha. That is Yango Chicha. Right? So for what will happen to Ya? Ya, that is Yang. Yang has become look now. What will happen to Da? Da will become Di. No, that will
No.
only Da only. Da only. But a Yang came and Yang gone. But Dvitam, will it happen or not?
It will happen.
It will happen.
That will happen. That we have to do. Therefore, Da only. Where is Ya? Ya is not there, gone. Therefore, Da 619. Right? Then after that, we can do all the
Raswa.
other karyas. 7460 is Rasvaha.
Aladi Sesha.
Sorry, Kshamita. Rasvaha is
7459, I think.
59. Yeah.
I didn't apply. Why? Because there is no other. Okay, Adi. Okay, we can apply. Sorry, Aladi Shesha, we can apply. Aladi
60 only.
Which one?
That is
Aladi.
Aladi Sesha.
And Rasvaha,
7459.
59.
both we can have it. Yeah. So Da, not a Diya. It is Da only.
Only one hull is there. Why we have to apply?
That has to remain, right?
Okay.
One hull is there. That we have to read, and that also you cannot drop it, right? Aladi Shesha. That's why.
Okay.
Adi al Sheshaha Vartate will remain avashishyate. That other things will drop. That's the meaning, right?
Yes.
Okay.
But again, you apply the Dirgo Akitaha, no?
Yeah, we will do. Yes, to be done. That to be done.
So again, you get Da.
Again, we have to make it.
Okay.
Yes. So, fine. Then Da become.
Da.
Yeah, is not. Which is 74?
Dirgo Akitaha 7483.
83. So, we have no Dada. So, Dada. No, Dada is the final one. Dada is Saurabh Ganguly. Dada.
That's what I was thinking. I was thinking Dada means Ganguly only.
Ganguly only, Dada. If you say something about Ganguly in Calcutta, they will come for a fight.
Real Dada means.
I used to teach some workers in Bengal that were working. I will criticize Ganguly intentionally. They will come for a fight. So Dada, Dada is the final form. So Dada plus Te, no. This is Sheshat Kartari.
Parasmaipadi, T.
Yeah, what is the sutram? Sheshat Kartari Parasmaipadam. Number is 1370.
1378.
So Dada plus Shap, Savana Dirga, Kartari, Shap, all those things comes. So therefore Dada Ti. Then, yeah, I think Dada Ti.
Yes.
Dada Ti is a form. Right? Yeah. You can check. I think this must be the form Dada Ti.
Yes.
Okay. But another one is there, which is Vikalpa. I think that also we saw. In But it is Angakarya, right? So, but it is Va, Vikalpena.
Dadhatu is there in other two ganas also. That Adadigana.
We are doing Jugotya Digana. So, Dadati is a form. That is our one sutram is there. That is, I think we have seen Yango Vasam Sutram. So there, please see. Young related sutra. But that is Angakarya, 7394. Young Pratyantangat Parasya Aladi Pit Sarvadatuka Pratyasya Vikalpena Eat Agama. 73 is its section. So Eat Agama Bhavati. Okay, that is, I'll read Kashika. Young Uttarasya Aladehe Pita Sarvadatuka se Eat Agama Bhavati. Okay, Aladehe Pitasya. Then Charkarti Chakram Aladehi Pitah Sarvadhartukasya Yangantat Abhavagiti Yang Lung and the Simudaharanum. So he is giving another, if you can see, Yang Lukanta Udaharanum is given. So Itagama will come. Itagama optionally comes. That Kashika says, Siddhanta Kamadikara. So if Itagama comes, then A plus E will become Guna. We have another form also. Yangant Aladehi Pitah It Vasya. So this is Abhya, Ante, Yang Luk, all these things. Nyasakaraha also says that Andatu, that even though it is in 7.3 section, but Bhavati, Yang Luki, Bhavati, Nyasakaraha, Nyasa says, one sutra also will apply Abhyasacha, that sutra which is in 7.3 section, Angakarya, 7.3 or 7.4, that applies. So as we said, Angakarya doesn't happen, but Nyasakara says, therefore it will apply. Similarly, here also, optionality is given. So therefore, Yang Va is Yang Lugantat Parasya Aladehe. So says Yang as well as Yang Lugantat. Pitaha Pit Sadhatuka Pratyastre Itagama Bhavati. So you can take the Lagu Siddhanta Kaumudi. So this sutra I will add in the list. That is in Yang Luk Prakriya. Even though that this Angakarya will not happen, right? But Yangova is exception. That will apply. Yangova, that sutra.
7394.
Yeah, 7394. That will apply. Yangova by that. That is Ittakama section. 7.3.7.2.35 is Adhudatukase Itvaladehe. Right? And this is after that, before 7.2.35, all the, Ittakama negation. After 7.2.35, Ittakama is given an optionality. So this is optional. Yangova will apply. Other things will be lit color. So therefore, if you, and this, when does it apply? When Sarvadhataka Pit Pratyaya follows. And here what we do, we are adding Pit Pratyaya, Tip Pratyaya being a Pit. Therefore, optionally, this is Pit Pratyaya. Therefore, we have Dadati is one form and Dada plus Dada plus, this is a Pratyaya is Sarvadhataka Pratyaya, that will take Ittagama. Even though Pratyaya, Sarvadhataka, then really Adhadhataka, right? But Yangova says, even for Sarvadhataka Pratyaya. Therefore, once we have A plus E, then
Adgunaha.
Adguna Adadeti, right? Therefore, that will happen. So this is by the sutra Yangova 7394. What's the number? 94.
394.
So here within bracket I will write this dada plus that is tip, that is ti become iti. Ittagama, that is ittagama comes when sarvadhatuka pratyaya follows, not for other. So dadati, then dadeti. What about if it is tas pratyaya, for example? Then it will not happen. Like for example, dada plus shap plus tas. Tas is sarvadhatuka apit. Therefore, dada plus tas will become this common rule, whatever rule is there, apply. What will happen to a when followed by this pratyaya, sarvadhatuka pratyaya, like dadati, dattaha, dadati. So that akara will become shna abhyastayoho ataha lopaha and sutram is there. We have seen, in fact, shna in the ninth conjugation, we have seen shna as well as abhyasta. This is abhyasta, right? Abhyastayoho akara will become lopaha. Remember, they're all under 6.4 section. So this is abhyasta. Abhyastasya akarasya when a sarvadhatuka aladi sarvadhatuka nit prate pare akarasya lopaha bhavati. Na abhyastayoho ataha lopaha. If it is ajadi pratyaya, then I think ikara comes on next sutra, I think. But anyway, that is not required. I'm just saying. So therefore, akara will become lopaha. Therefore, tas, then sakara, this dad, padanta sakara become ru become visaha, and dakara followed by this. Therefore, karicha will apply. Therefore,
Karicha,
dataha.
Data.
Dataha is a rupam. Understand? So here we don't apply that 7394. Understand? For that only this example I'm giving. Here 739 here Yangova not applicable. Why? Because it is not sarvadhatuka pita. 739 not applicable. This is all the forever reference because later I will forget, you also will forget. Huh? That is why I will be writing it. Okay. Now, same way dha dhatu will become dha mahaprana, dha abhyasya.
Akara lopa, what is the sutra?
Okay, very good question. Okay. You have Sutra Pata. We have seen, in fact, ninth conjugation and all, we have done. Sutra Pata, please take it. Better to see Sutra Pata.
Yes.
Na abhyastayoho ataha lopaha. 6.4 section. 6.4, that basya adhikara. That we have. Basya, not basya. Basya ku munnadi nenikkana. This is 6.4. Yeah. This is one. Yearly ago, ho, that is what I said. Okay, anyway, that is not required. Shna abhyastayoho ataha lopa. Shna is ninth conjugation, right? Abhyasta is, that is in the case of what we duplication we do, abhyasta. Akara of that will become lopaha when followed by a sarvadhatuka kit or git pratyaya pare. That coming as anuvritti from the previous sutra, which is then before the previous page. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Right?
112.
Nabhyastayoho ataha lopaha bhavati.
Okay.
Okay. And please note, yes, some twist is there. I don't know whether you see that. Now, what is the next sutra?
Ihalyago.
What is the dhatu we are doing? Example. What is here? Yagogo. Yagogo. What is Yagogo?
Go sanya.
E ali agoho. That is akara of the abhyasta anga or shna, the pratyaya, ninth conjugation will be replaced by e when followed by haladi sarvadhatuka chitta nit pratyaya. What we are doing, what is the pratyaya following? Example, tas, right? Tas. Is it haladi or not?
Yes, haladi.
Therefore, akara should be replaced by E or not?
Yeah.
No, agoho is that except for the gusanyaka dhatus.
Guru Sanyaka Dhatus.
Therefore, which one will apply? 112 or 113?
Actually, Paratvam, we must say 113.
But Paratam negates.
Negates.
Therefore, 112 we apply. That is the idea. Means 112 is applied when followed by ajadi sarvadhatuka kit or git pratyaya. Then akara will become lopaha. You forgot. I'll give an example. You'll understand. So 112 for ajadi sarvadhatuka kit or git pratyaya follows. Akara become lopaha. When haladi sarvadhataka apita, that is nit pratyaya follows, a will be replaced by e except for the gusangika dhatus. Since we are dealing with gusangika dhatus, 113 cannot be applied, 112 is applied. Now, I'll just give example for 112. You will understand. Already we have seen the context of ninth conjugation. I will do ninth conjugation. Let us take the dhatu. Nya dhatu. What is the dhatu? Nya dhatu, right? Nya will become Nya plus tip. Suppose I do tip. You tell me the steps. Nya plus. What is Kanavikarana? Kartari Sarvadhatike? Shna. Then what's the next step?
Na is the content.
No.
So,
Nya will be replaced by ja. Nya janor ja. When shit pratyaya follows, it's a rule. Nya janor ja. That is 6-4. 80 something. Nya janor jandata also will be replaced by ja. You want to see? Please check the sutra. When shit pratyaya follows, 7-3 I think, not 6-3. Nya jano 7-3, yeah, 7-3, 79. Nya dhatu, jan dhatu, when followed by shiti pratyaya will be replaced by ja. Understand?
Yes.
Like pa become pib, sta become tishta, same thing. Right?
Yeah. Only when shit pratyaya follows.
Right? Shit pratyaya. Therefore, ja. That's why you get janati. Now here what pratyaya follows? Sarvadhatuka pit pratyaya follows. Nothing happens. Just to join janati. Right? Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Now this is sarvadhatuka pit. It is not applicable for us now. Now we want sarvadhatuka apit. Apit will be then deemed to be nit. Then our sutra will apply. Now thus you take. Then what will happen to this is the anga ending with shna, that is shna abhyastayoho ataha lopaha. That sutra when followed by what? When followed by sarvadhatuka nit pratyaya, that is apit is nit, therefore nit or git pratyaya follows. Akara will become lopaha. When? When it will happen? When it is followed by, here when it is followed by what? Yes, not given. When a sarvadhatuka pratyaya follows, it happens, he says. But next sutra says, when followed by haladi sarvadhatuka pratyaya, that A is replaced by E. So, when followed by haladi means that 6-1-1-1-2 must be for ajadi pratyaya. You have to understand like that. When ajadi pratyaya follows, 6-1-1-2 is applied. When haladi pratyaya follows, 6-1-1-3. Therefore, 6-1-1-2 we cannot apply. 6-1-1-3 when you apply, that A is replaced by E. Therefore, you get janati, janitaha. Understand?
Okay. Yeah.
Similarly, ajadi example. This is aladi example. Aladi example, what sutra we apply? 6-1-1-3.
113.
Okay. E ali agoho. Bhagavachanam is anti. Anti is ajadi, sarvadhatuka, apite, nitvat bhavati. What will happen to the na now? Stabhyastayoho ataha lopaha, by that a will drop. Therefore, you will have jan plus anti. Jananti. You see the application now here? In the sutra, abhyasta also is there. Therefore, abhyasta means since you are doing the dvitam here, abhyasta is understood. Understand?
Mm.
Do you want this? I'll cut this and send it to the group for your reference.
Yes. Mhm.
You would have forgotten this because long back we saw. Better to remember. Where
But
is the
ninth Gana we need to do it Pananonji with sutras.
ninth Gana? Simple. Okay, so it's sutras. Okay,
Yeah.
but I thought. I mean, I don't know whether I taught with sutras. We'll do all the conjugation with sutras. We are going to see that in the Tinganta. You understand now? Therefore, what is applied here? What is applied where? What is the question?
So அது 61112 வருமா அங்க
Where? 1 minute.
6412.
Yeah. Okay, here. That akara becomes lopa because e ali agogo by that sutra, except for the gu sanyaka. If gu sanyaka dhatu is followed, this is gu sanyaka dhatu, da dhatu. Haradi pratyaya follows, then e will come except for the gu sanyaka dhatus. Therefore, we cannot apply e ali agogo. Therefore, we have to apply shna abhyastayoho ataha lopaha. That we have to apply. Shna abhyastayoho. Two things are there. Shna is there, abhyasta is there. Shna abhyastayoho.
Ataha.
I'm just like this is number is 64.
112.
2 is applied. Note e ali agogo is not applied because it exempts gu sanyaka dhatu. And da dhatu gu sanyaka dhatu. Da da ghada. Same thing for dha dhatu, mahaprana. Dha dhatu. Dha, dudhanch, dharana poshna yoho. Then what will be the form? The same thing. Only thing is abhyase.
Charcha will come.
Charcha, jugotyadhigana you can take. Therefore, what will happen here? You can do. Therefore, asvaha, dirgha, everything will apply. Abhyase, charcha also will apply. Dha. Then you will also, we will have dha. Ya will not be there. Dha will be there. So dha plus Paratmai Padapratyati. Optionally, we can have Yangova by that sutra that they can take Dadeti. Okay, check the form. I think it must be right.
Correct.
Madatu, Mama, who's Mama? Let us see. Mama is the so Madatu. Which conjugation? Mama. Any conjugation. Ma is generally we take Bane. Second conjugation. Mati.
Measure.
So Mamati. Mameti. Mameti, like look at mom, eti, but now not mameti. Mameti, two forms, right? You can check the form. I just write. I don't know the form. I'm just guessing and writing. So
Yes.
ga becomes kuhos to will apply. Kuhos to will apply. So ga will become ja. Jaga. Jagati. Or jageti. Is it correct? Please check. I'm not sure.
Correct.
Some ha dhatu. Ha dhatu, that is also kuhoshuhu will apply. Ha will become kuhoshuhu, will be replaced by ja, mahaprana, then abhyasi charcha. Ja, jaha, jahati, or
Jaheti.
It's correct, right?
Yes,
Very good. Okay, I think with this we will stop. Sa will become, it is, okay. Sa, originally it was so, become sa, okay. Sa, then saseti or saseti. This is dhatu is show antakarne. Adesha upadesha shiti, by that it happens. Show antakarne is divadi conjugation. What is the form? Must be the same thing, I think. Dhatu adene sharasaha will happen.
Saseti, correct.
Okay, please remember up to this we have done. Number 2 onwards we have to start. Remind me. I should remark it like this. All other things are same. So we'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। हरिः ॐ। श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ॐ। धन्यवादः।
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಅಜಯ್.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಶಶಿ.
धन्यवादः.
So, Kshamyatam ji, we have to maintain one more folder for Yenglunganta and all the
Yeah,
this thing will be
all
there.
this. Yes.
Okay. And last week you have sent, no? So that we can retain and previous things.
No, that PDF file,
కొంచెం
I think.
modify panna. Yeah, that
I
you
will
said you will
do it
change
again. I will
and-
resend. Please discard.
Ah,
Again, I will send.
Okay.
Again, I will send. Discard that.
Okay ji.
okay, ji.
धन्यवाद.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಅಜಯ್.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.